Hello everyone, welcome to KMIT Solutions Services. My name is Raman. I'm really excited to start this particular series. This series is related to TOGAF, the Open Group Architecture Framework, which is a standard framework for enterprise architect. Here in this series, we are not only discussing about the TOGAF standard for certification point of view, but we will deeply understand how enterprise architect thinks when they are using the TOGAF standards. If you are preparing for TOGAF foundation course or certification or practitioner exam, then this series is for you. We will be discussing each and every phase of ADM cycle. ADM is architecture development method cycle. So, which is A to H phases. Before a preliminary phase, and there is a requirement phase also will be discussed in detail. So, if you are preparing for your exam, then this series is really for you. I have this GitHub repository which I will share with you. You can fork this repository, which will copy the entire material, FAQs, practice test, MCQs, assignment to your own GitHub repository. In next lecture, we will walk through this GitHub repository and we will see what are the things which are available in this GitHub repository. And this repository will be updated uh, means after some time also, and then you just need to sync these update content into your repository. Thank you very much for watching this, and we will be meeting into the next lecture. Thank you.